friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how to draw a spiral with the help of a scale, a pencil and a compass. So let's begin. So first we will draw a horizontal line. So this is our line AB. Here we will take two random points, say O and C. So the first thing is you have to take your compass, keep the pointer on O and take very small distance. You can take any random distance. So here I am taking the distance OC and I am drawing a small semicircle like this. So now keep the pointer on C, measure the distance till this point which we just obtained and continue drawing the circles. Now we have got another point. So now we will keep the pointer on O and we will take the distance till this point and we will continue drawing till the, you can say, the line OB. Now we have got another point. So like this we will keep switching between O and C. I'm extending the compass distance till this line and I am drawing a new curve. Now I have got another point. So in this way, keep it on O. I will extend this distance and I am continuing the drawing. So in this way we get a spiral. So this way you can continue to draw. Now I am again keeping it on C. So in this way you can keep drawing your spirals as big as you want. So that's it. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can create more videos for you. Thank you.